capsule with hot milk.
哦，它是有个hot milk ready。
哦，hot milk，hot milk，全部的 hot milk 都加，全部做到漂亮漂亮，所以很清洁。哦。
Boiled water.
Boiled
water. Yeah.
So you see the milk capsule
Okay.
put inside. Yes.
How you make cappuccino? How you make cappuccino? You will receive.
Excuse me.
Alright, cappuccino now.
How to make cappuccino?
How to make cappuccino? You will use 2 capsules, one for milk and one for espresso, for coffee. So first, what you do, you put your milk capsule,
milk
not this one.
Put the milk first.
You close,
Milk first.
and you press up to here.
不会，你这样快的。
So you fill your cup with the milk, all right? Once the cup is it's already covered with milk, you stop it, obviously. You put another capsule of coffee, and you brew the coffee inside, and your cappuccino is ready. The cappuccino with this machine is making, it's coming with foam. Proper cappuccino as you drink in coffee shops.
Yeah.
Oh.
Right? Then another thing which I didn't tell you, and I'm sorry about it. Here you have different technology for the tea making. Because tea making is different than coffee making.
Yes.
Tea making, you need less pressure, okay, and longer time.
Yeah.
Because otherwise you will burn it.
Yes.
Right? So what you will do, you will push this button. Here there's a sexy blue light coming out. You can see it, right? You put your capsule of tea.
Yes.
You close, and you brew your tea. By brewing your tea, you have to have always the light on, and you take it to position last one.
Last one.
All right?
Okay.
Once you brew the tea,